The Laguna Lake Development Authority is the office with jurisdiction to Laguna de Bay region as defined by RA 4850. The geographical mandate of Laguna Lake Development Authority covers Rizal, Laguna, the selected cities, municipalities of Cavite, Batangas, Quezon, and some part of Metro Manila, Taguig, Caloocan, Pasay, Muntinlupa, Manila, Pasig, Marikina, Quezon City, and municipality of Pateros. If your establishment is located within the geographical mandate of Laguna Lake Development Authority, you will secure an LLDA clearance and or shoreland clearance, and of course the wastewater discharge permit prescribed by RA 9275. So check the location of your establishment if it falls with the geographical mandate of Laguna Lake Development Authority.